This is, the state has allowed it. And I have maintained this throughout this crisis that the government of India is complicit in this violence. Had they wanted to stop it, they would have done it. Never in the history of this country you have people divided like this. And then highways being stopped. This is against Indian Constitution, Article 19, if you really look at it. The government has completely failed to protect the life and property of the citizens of the state. Never in this country you have heard that some communities are not allowed to travel on the highway. Okay, this has never happened. And then people are still languishing in relief camps. They are not able to go back to their homes for 2 years. We talk about the Kashmiri Pandits and so that situation. This is the worst example of that one. And you have allowed these things to happen and normalize it for 2 years. I think the overt violence has gone down, but you should not forget that people living in relief camps, they are facing everyday forms of violence. The humiliation, struggling for their food and respect. This is also a form of violence. People have not seen their children. They are missing people still. We don't know whereabouts. Strange things have happened. Unthinkable. Somebody got missing from the army garrison, headquarters of the 57 Mountain Division. We have normalized that. Have you ever heard this? Never. So there are a lot of things, abnormalities that have been normalized. So I think the rest of the country, leave alone the government of India, I think the rest of the country must know. Unfortunately, some people have also joined in this bandwagon of information war and disinformation in the name of independent tribunals and so on. This is unfortunate. We see this. There are some people want this violence to go on, and to serve some vested political interests. No, I say we have maintained. You remember that the State Assembly, cutting across party lines, have adopted resolutions for the withdrawal of this SU, and there have been allegations of involvement of these groups in this violence. There are pictures now coming up saying that this gentleman or this man with the arm is from a particular group of these. And I think this needs to be investigated. I personally believe that there has to be accountability, transparency, and this kind of a policy of signing agreement must be critically reviewed by the government of India.
Prime Minister is also expecting to visit.
I am not sure. It's the first time that their own party said they have no information. Some people say some VVIP is coming. So it is an admission of guilt if it is the Prime Minister. If this VVIP who is planning to come is the Prime Minister, then I think this is an admission of guilt that he is not able to say it so openly that I am visiting Manipur, or his party is not able to say that. You see, you should know that they have absolute majority in the House and they have failed to protect the life and properties of the people, and they are squabbling among themselves, and that's why we have precedent rules. I think these people have lost the confidence of the people, and we have seen what they have done to the state in the last 2 years. So my expectation, our party position is that instead of this, we should have a fresh mandate and then let the people's voice represent and then deal with this mess that they have created.